Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hakka mixed stir fry is one of the most popular Hakka dishes in Taiwan. Hakka people eat this dish during the New Year and other traditional festivals. Hakka people offer meat when worshiping gods and ancestors, and when the event is over, locals take the leftover meat, throw in some green onions, and cook up a delicious stir fry.
Hello, everyone. It's time to talk about Hakka right here on Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. You know what? This month we're going to talk about a lot of food again. 好开心哦！这个月我们要开始讲一些食物、美食，跟客家有关的一些美食文化那样子。
一定要的，
一定要的，对不对？其实坦白讲，真的还没有做这个单元之前呢，我一直很喜欢的一道菜就是客家小炒。
可是你知道吗？它有个名字哈，是一般上班族都很怕听到的
啊？什么？
炒鱿鱼。
哦，对，里面是炒鱿鱼
对，因为新竹叫做炒鱿鱼。
哦，真的吗？
炒鱿
炒鱿
，OK， 炒鱿鱼，
就是 squid。
对，像我苗栗那边就讲炒牛。
哦，是哦，就炒肉，
直接讲炒肉。对。
Oh, okay. So they simplify it. They don't have to call it the Hakka stir fried. In Hsinchu, they actually call it the stir fried squid, but in Miao Li, they call it the stir fried pork. 好奇怪，为什么刚好一个是肉呢，一个是鱿鱼？
其实这个东西哦，就跟那个主要的材料有关系啊。过年过节大家都要准备猪肉啊，还有鸡啦或者猪肉，然后就鱼嘛。因为客家人他赶紧他都散档口，在住在山上啊，那比较没有那个新鲜的活鱼，所以就会用鱿鱼。
Oh, okay. One of the main reasons why they use squid is because a lot of the Hakka, they live up in the mountains, and it's very hard to preserve fresh fish. But with squid, it's a lot easier, and so squid became a main ingredient as well as pork. So if you haven't tried this, you really got to try it out. It's really a great dish. It's a stir-fried, Hakka stir-fried, again, with squid, with pork, and with bean curds, and it's perfect if you're having a drink or two. 尤其在喝酒的时候下酒菜啊，客家小炒是首选之一。
对啊，因为那个好香哦，然后这样子配着啤酒。
Exactly.
这样讲我晚上就想喝啤酒了。
Don't drink and drive though, okay? All right, let's go ahead and review these ingredients in the Hakka stir-fried 炒肉。
炒牛。
炒牛 that's stir-fried pork. 好，炒鱿鱼。
炒鱿。
炒鱿 that is stir-fried squid. And then 刚刚没教到就是豆干。
豆腐干。
豆腐干 that's bean curds. And try it next time. I'm sure you're going to fall in love with the Hakka stir-fry. That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么大家？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.